High-end robot plating equipment integrates industrial robot technology and precision plating technology to create intelligent manufacturing surface treatment solutions. The multi-axis robotic arm has accurate position control, plus or minus 0.02 millimeters repeated positioning accuracy, and can adapt to the unmanned operation of the whole process of different shapes and complex workpieces, and perfectly solve the problem of plating uniformity. The PLC intelligent control system optimizes current, temperature, and other core parameters in real time. The plating circulation filtration system ensures that the plating layer is dense and wear resistant, and has the ability to integrate chrome plating, galvanizing, and other multi-processes. Equipped with an environmental protection treatment unit, it can realize the compliant discharge of wastewater and exhaust gas, and can be customized to adapt to high-end manufacturing scenarios such as auto parts and precision electronics. Upgrade the production line with digital intelligence, improve efficiency and reduce cost, and create a new benchmark for electroplating quality.